How do I fix a H103 code on my tankless water heater?
How long have you been dealing with this water heater issue?
Just installed.
Is your water heater gas or electric? How old is it?
Electric, just installed.
How long has this been going on with your water heater? What have you tried so far?
Just installed.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Hi, I'm Mike and I have 20+ years of experience as a plumber. I am sorry you are having issues. I'll be glad to assist you today. I know you have been waiting for a while for a reply, so I will provide an answer now in case it will help immediately with your issue. Please follow up with any questions or updates and I surely will continue to assist. There is no time limit to your reply, so surely reply when it is the most convenient. I may not be online when you do, so please know I will reply at the first opportunity. The error indicates the high limit switch has tripped.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.